In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point a domain to Cloudways. If you've already built your site or application on Cloudways, the next important step is connecting your real domain so visitors can access your project through your branded web address instead of the temporary Cloudways URL. This process usually comes down to DNS settings, and if even one record is wrong, your domain may not load properly. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do it clearly and cleanly from start to finish. First, log into your Cloudways dashboard and open the application section. Select the website or app you want to connect. On the Access Details page, look for the field labeled Public IP. This is the server IP address your domain needs to point to. Copy it directly using the copy icon if available, because typing it manually can easily lead to mistakes. Next, open a separate browser tab and log into the account where your domain is registered. Find your domain, then open the DNS management or advanced DNS area. Here, take a moment to review the existing records. If there are old A records still pointing to a previous host or a parked page, remove them to avoid conflicts. Conflicting records are one of the most common reasons a domain doesn't resolve correctly. Now add your root A record. Choose A record as the type, enter the @ symbol in the host field, and paste the Cloudways public IP into the value or target field. Leave the TTL set to automatic or default, then save the record. After that, add a CNAME record for the www version of your domain. Set the host to www and point it to your root domain without extra prefixes. Save that record as well. Once those records are saved, DNS propagation begins. To check whether the changes are spreading globally, open a DNS checker tool such as whatsmydns.net. Enter your domain, switch the record type to A, and search. You should gradually see results matching your Cloudways IP in different locations. Sometimes this happens within minutes, but in some cases it can take up to 24 hours. When propagation looks good, go back to Cloudways and open domain management from your application dashboard. Add your full root domain, save it, then open the options for that domain and set it as the primary domain. This tells Cloudways to properly serve your site from that address. To secure the site, open the SSL certificate section in Cloudways. Make sure Let's Encrypt is selected, enter an administrative email address, add your primary domain, and install the certificate. This enables and gives your site a secure connection. Finally, open an incognito window and visit your domain. Confirm the website loads correctly and that the browser